Hi, I'm Jordan.
And I'm Susan.
And today we're going to be making a ribbon choker inspired by Downton Abbey. So Susan.
Yeah.
Just watched the newest trailer for Downton Abbey. The new movie that's coming out this September. Have you
I know,
seen
I'm
it?
really excited. I can't believe that.
I'm so stoked.
Do you know anything about it?
So I didn't before I saw this,
Okay.
and I was just like, the sets are beautiful, so I'm binging the entire series. I'm so excited about this. The sets are phenomenal. The costumes. Yeah, so I was thinking, let's do something to kind of like, celebrate Downton Abbey. Like since the new movie's coming out, like what could we do to kind of be like, oh, this is what I'm gonna wear to the premiere, or
Ooh, let's make a choker.
Okay. Yeah.
Don't you think that's a good idea?
That'd be really, really cool.
Because they all wore little chokers. I want to do one with ribbon, because one of the hardest things about chokers, you may not know this, is getting them the right tension on your neck so that it doesn't fall forward or it's not too tight. You know? So they can be hard. But if you make it with ribbon,
that's a trick.
Then you can tie it in a bow in the back, and you can make it just perfect.
Yeah, that little Victorian look. Okay.
Mm-hmm. So here's the chain.
Okay.
Isn't that pretty?
So pretty.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I want to use that because I thought that would be just gorgeous.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
And this is the chain, and then this is the little, I've actually got a couple of these, and I think I like this one better for this. We're going to dangle that because I always notice the chokers always have just something kind of drop down from it.
Okay.
And so I thought that'd be real simple just to put that on there, and it would kind of go with the theme.
Okay.
And then I have ribbon. This is velvet ribbon. And you get to pick whichever color you want, because I think either one will be pretty. This is a navy, which I thought reminded me a lot.
That kind of reminds me of Downton Abbey.
Yeah, it does me too. Yeah. So here's a red one, and I already did one, or I've started one. I haven't finished it with the black.
Okay, very cool.
So the black's really pretty. The black, but I kind of put it here because I thought maybe you might want to see how it worked.
What it looks like, yeah. Okay, yeah.
All right. So which color?
Let's do that. I think.
I think so.
We'll do that for violet.
Because red and that would be.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Maybe that's too much.
That's a little lot. We like it understated,
But this is really cool because this little kit, this chain came with this ribbon.
Oh.
And this is a curb chain, curb chain kind of has little flattened areas so that it kind of lays really nicely.
Yeah.
And it's kind of like a little curb, I guess.
Yeah,
but they sit, each link kind of sits on the next link, and so it just lays really nicely, and it's perfect for stringing ribbon through. So anyway, you just want to center it on here and make sure you start at the center. And then you're going to take this cord, the velvet ribbon, and you're going to go up through the first one, making sure you keep the velvet face up. And then you're going to go down through the next link. Take this, hold it, string through, like so. Easier said than done. There we go.
Okay.
And then you just pull.
Okay.
Like that. And then just straighten the chain back out.
That's not too bad at all.
And make sure that you don't cover up your pretty little.
Yeah. Oh, of course not.
Yeah. And so now you see what's next. You come up through that one.
Come up.
And then down, up and down, up and down.
Oh, no, that's gonna look really cool. Okay. So then we just come up with this one.
Right. So then what you want to do at each end is secure it with just a slip knot. See right there? I just did a slip knot around there.
Just kind of looping.
Yeah, it's just looped around. You go back through and then pull it through the loop.
Okay, yeah.
It's easy.
Easy enough.
Yeah, that's right. That way it doesn't bunch back in on itself.
Yeah.
Yeah, so then just go through that loop. You just made. Yeah.
Make sure the velvet's out.
Yo, you are a perfectionist. Look at that. Yeah, that looks good. Looks better if you do it that way. You are correct.
There we go. I've learned a thing or two. This is a quick and easy project, which I like that.
Yeah.
I'm a big fan of that.
Me too.
Yeah.
Well, it shouldn't be hard.
Yeah.
It should be enjoyable.
Yeah, exactly.
And okay, so now the bottom is the crystals go on the bottom.
Okay.
Okay, so when you put it on, it goes like that.
Oh, that looks so pretty.
Pretty?
Yeah.
And what you want to do now is take one of these little drops and one of my little fancy jump rings right here. So you just grab your two guys, and I was going to show you this again because I noticed you were having a little bit of trouble with the opening. Just remember, when you just twist it open, and just when you twist it closed, you push.
You push.
And you close it.
Okay. Like yeah.
So let me find the middle. Not a perfectionist.
Not a perfectionist. Myself.
So I'm going to go through. There we go. Go through there. Get your little crystal. And then twist close like so.
Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that.
Isn't that pretty?
Looks great. Beautiful.
Yeah, so now put that one on there.
Okay. So you want to find the center there. Yeah, ribbons in the way.
You can probably see it better than me. I'm the blind leading the blind here.
All right, so we got our little stone on there.
Perfect.
Wow.
That was a great job. Yes.
Okay, there we go.
Oh, it's so pretty.
I love that. That's so pretty. I love that.
Yeah, so you
like
just
that little touch.
Yeah, just tie it on.
Yeah.
And we can tie one on me.
Yeah, okay. So you're ready for the premiere.
I'm ready.
Yeah.
I need a dress.
Yes. Now you need a dress, like a fancy little dress to go along with it.
Yes.
You'll be good to go.
And you made it.
Yes. And we made this, yeah. That's awesome. Yeah.
Very cool. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys would like to pick up some supplies like the ones we work with today, check out the links down below. Who's your favorite Downton Abbey character? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And now that you know a little bit about making a Downton Abbey inspired choker, you can say,
I made this.